They present us with the practical exercise of a new sheet of the same workbook, the workbook that we have open at this moment, to calculate the expression 3 plus 6 divided by 2. This expression that we have projected here. It is very easy even mentally to see that 3 plus 6 are 9 and divided by 2 are 4.5, which is the result we should obtain. We go to our Excel spreadsheet and to sheet 2. We see that it is the same as sheet 1, but we can have different calculations constructed in a different way in one than in the another. And here we have to process the expression 3 plus 6 by 2, the easiest thing to do, in case they later ask us to change one value for another. What we are going to do is put 6, 3 and 2 in each of the cells. We put the baseline data 6, 3 and 2, and now we will build in cell A4, for example, we will build the expression. Remember that the expression was the first plus the second divided by the third. Well, so an expression will always begins with the equal sign, and now we are going to make references to the cells. The first one plus the second divided by the third. We see that effectively we get the result 4.5. Well, no. What has happened? What has happened is that in the expression that we have introduced, we have mixed an addition and a division. And additions and divisions have different priorities when being processed by Excel. That is, that if what I want is for the first 6 plus 3, all of this divided by the last value by the 2. It turns out that here Excel does not understand it that way. Excel is understanding that the division will take priority over the addition, meaning that it will process the division first, that is 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5, and to this result it will add the value 6. Logically, I want to carry out this expression as we had indicated in mathematical notation. In this case, I must first align the sum and then the division. In Excel, in these cases, what we have to do is alter the order of execution of these two operations in terms of the priority assigned to them by Excel. And this we do using brackets. So I would go to edit this formula. Clicking on it on this expression, and just before the A1 I write. I open the brackets, and directly after the A2 I close the brackets. Doing this, I indicate that the operation that I have enclosed between brackets has to be carried out first. Then the result of this operation is to be divided by A3. In this case, we should get the correct result that it indicated, 4.5.